How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing amazing. I'm also doing good. Yeah, and good to see you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Sagal Masi, and on today's episode, I'm going to be sharing with you guys about items that I think are very essential, or rather the basic items that you need when you're building a wardrobe, because these are items that they act as the foundation of your styling moving forward. The reason why you need to have basic outfits is because one, these are items that are very easy to pair because they come in neutral colors and easy design. Therefore, it's very easy to be able to pair with trendy items and statement items with ease. Another thing why you need a basic item is because this is like a timeless outfit. Instead of going and chasing every trend, you can invest in basic outfits, because when you have these basic outfits like solid bottoms, you can be able to style them with the statement outfit, as I mentioned earlier, right? Their versatility in such a way that basic items like a neutral blazer, a black t-shirt, a white t-shirt, a blue pair of jeans, these are items that can really be styled well to fit to any occasion, be it a casual event, a smart casual event, or an official event, depending on how well you're going to style it. Basic items, they are cost effective in such a way that a wardrobe that has a lot of solid basics allows you to maximize on your outfits in such a way that you can be able to style a lot of your outfits in your closet without having to spend excessively. With basic items, it actually simplifies, oh my goodness, the decision making in the morning when you want to rush and you don't know what to wear, because you can be able to like mix and match the outfit to look put together without making an effort. The first item is a white shirt. You will never go wrong with a white shirt, because this is an item that can go from an office ready to a casual weekend with ease. When you're looking for one, just ensure that you get a fitting material that can complement your body in such a way that you don't feel like you're constrained inside it, like it's too tight. A shirt is an excellent layering piece in such a way that you can be able to wear this shirt on its own, or you can be able to wear it under a sweater. If this shirt is tucked in on an official skirt or an official trouser, it gives a professional look. But if you tie it on your waist and you dress it down with a blue pair of jeans and sneakers, it gives like a casual vibe. Another thing that you need to consider when you're buying a white shirt is the fabric, because fabric really matters a lot. If you get a fabric like silk or cotton, it gives like a polished appearance. When it comes to shirts, it also depends with your preference. Some people will go with a baggy shirt, some would go with a fitting one, and others will prefer like a crop shirt. It depends on the occasion, and whichever vibe you have, a white shirt is really essential for your closet. A plain white t-shirt, this is a foundation piece of every wardrobe. One, because of its simplicity, and two, because of its versatility in such a way that this is an item that can be styled in multiple ways to fit like casual outings, and if it's also layered correctly, it can fit to a professional event. When it comes to plain white t-shirt, the key is to find one with a great fit. Whether you prefer an oversized t-shirt, a fitted t-shirt, or a cropped t-shirt, depending on your preference. Another thing you need to find is a high quality material. I would advise that you go for like a cotton one to ensure that it's very comfortable and it can be able to serve you for long. When it comes to a white t-shirt, it can be paired with a blue jeans for like a timeless look, styled with a blazer for a professional edge as well. A straight long sleeve top is also one of the basic items that you need in your closet, because it adds a class of touch in your outfits. This is something that is very timeless, at the same time it is very versatile, because you can be able to style it with like a basic bottom like a blue pair of jeans or a black pair of jeans. When you're looking for a strip long sleeve top, I'd advise you to go for a breathable fabric that has like thinner strips because they tend to look more sophisticated. This is something that you can layer it under a trench coat or a blazer, or rather choose to wear it on its own to give this chic vibe. When you're not looking to wear a t-shirt or a long sleeve shirt or a straight long sleeved top, this is an option. It's a tank top. This is something timeless as well and versatile because it can be styled in multiple ways to fit any occasion, especially styled for a casual look. If dressed down with a washed denim trouser and sneakers or a pair of sandals, it can go well for a casual event. If styled well, it can also go well for a professional event. You can choose like a high neck or a low neck depending on your preference. If white is not your favorite color, you can go for any neutral color like black or like beige as well. This is also another piece that I have of a tank top, but this is a little bit different compared to the other one. Yeah, based on your preference, this is something that you can also acquire for a basic item that you need in your foundation when you're building a wardrobe. For the bottoms, a blue pair of jeans is a must to have when you're building a wardrobe because this is an item that you can pair it with t-shirt and sneakers for an everyday look. If you don't like a blue pair of jeans, you can go for a black denim trouser or a black washed pair of jeans to be able to pair it with different t-shirts that you have, especially the neutral t-shirt and a pair of sneakers or sandals for an everyday look. This is also a look that you can be able to elevate it with a pair of heels, throw in a blazer for a night out event. The good thing about pair of jeans, especially if you have a good pair of jeans, is that they're very durable and therefore a worthwhile type of investment. Another must-have item is this piece of trench coat. A trench coat is very good on your closet, especially as a basic foundation item, because this is something that is very good for layering. This is not too heavy and not too light at the same time. This is something that can be worn for a casual vibe and a professional vibe at the same time, depending on how you're going to layer it. If a neutral color is not your vibe, you can be able to get a trench coat maybe in black color to be able to layer it with different items on your closet without feeling like I don't have something to wear. Sneakers, especially white sneakers, are very essential when you're building a wardrobe because these are the pairs of shoes that are very timeless. They can be worn when every trend is coming and going. White sneakers will always be there. Another thing about white sneakers is you can be able to style them with any pair of outfits to fit to any type of occasion when styled correctly. Another item that you need on your closet is a pair of blazer. You will never go wrong with a pair of blazer. If you don't want a white blazer, go for any neutral color like black, but ensure that you get a blazer that will enable you to style various items that you have in your closet. For a blazer, you can go from an easy office look to a casual vibe very easily, depending on how you're going to dress it down. For a casual event, you can dress it down with a pair of blue trouser or a white wash pair of jeans with sneakers to give like a casual vibe. When it comes to a professional vibe, you need to style it down with a pair of heels with like a patterned trouser or a striped trouser or a plain black trouser to give like a professional vibe. So this marks the end of our episode today. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know which items you think I've left out. I know that maybe I haven't talked about all the items that are essential when you're building a wardrobe. So yeah, comment down below. Let me know which items you feel like I left out so that the next time when I'm uploading another video, when you're doing a lot of styling, I can be able to talk about them. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's build this community together, whereby we believe that you don't need to wear expensive items to look stylish, to look polished and chic at the same time. I love you guys.